Hello my fellow Aldi addicts, it's Jackie and it's Sunday and you know what that means. I have another week of meal plans and I'm going into Aldi to get my groceries for the week, so stay tuned, let's see what I get in store, and at the end you can see my meal plan. First up, it's been a while, but I'm buying each girl a bag of dried strawberries for their lunches this week. They're $2.69 a piece, so yay for sales. Also for my girls' lunches, we're gonna get the confetti cake muffins for $2.29. We're having breakfast this week for dinner, so I'm getting English muffins at $1.15 a piece. My husband loves these, and it was his request to have breakfast. I'm actually going to buy 4 packs of pita this week. I need 2 for 2 nights of shawarmas, and then my girls still want these in their lunch, and I don't want to run out. So 4 packs will get us 20 pitas at $1.79 a piece. I have 0 red stickers today, which is a disappointment, but I'm still buying the bread. $2.65 for an Italian loaf. And then for a weekly staple, 85 cents for white bread. We're going to use these for grilled cheese and Nutella sandwiches. So far my cart is entirely carbs and bread. Whoops. No cider today. Peeled garlic for our garlic sauce for shawarmas. And green onions, 65 cents for the green onions, $2.39 for the garlic. We are having broccoli just as a side, $1.45 a pound. This one looks good. Carrots, $1.19 for 2 pounds. Gotta be picky with the lettuce, $2.19 for 3 romaine hearts. $2.54 for a gallon of white milk. How much the chocolate milk is? It's been like $1 for years. Pumpkin whipped cream, $2.89. Okay, I'm getting some coconut milk to make iced coffees, $1.99. And also some half and half for $1.55. I'm so tempted to try this cold brew or that one, but I'm not going to. Guys, look what they have. It's like an end cap of seasonal items, so they actually have pumpkin pies. Ooh, one's $1 off. I'm gonna get that. That's a nice surprise. So it'll be $2.49. And then I'm actually gonna get a couple cans of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, at 95 cents a piece, and I'm going to make pumpkin bread. My middle daughter Elsie has requested I make mini loaves of bread for breakfast before school. Super easy and a very good breakfast for her. And they also have these. I'm not getting them today, but we love those. Oops. Wait, they changed where they're baking. I'm getting this Appleton bacon at $4.09 for breakfast. I'm getting 10 pounds of potatoes. We're having a baked potato bar this week, $3.89. I'm going to get 6 cans of the basil, garlic, and oregano diced tomatoes for tomato soup. I also like the fire roasted, but they don't have any. So these are 64 cents a piece. $1.45 for Berman's ketchup, and we're just running low, so restocking. Pickle spears, I will cut these smaller for shawarmas, and they're $1.45. Another apple juice. I've mentioned it for the past several weeks. My daughter takes vitamins every day for her leg lengthening, and she uses juice in the morning so she doesn't taste the pills, $1.19. Someone come buy these mums, they need help. $3.49 each. Also, we love getting our pumpkins at Aldi, $3.49, so I might bring my kids soon to get these. We'll see. There are lots of plant stuff, which to a non-gardener seems odd. Pretty flowers. These are super cute little decorative fake succulents. A salad spinner or a spiral slicer, $7.99 a piece. I actually really love when Aldi has these type of little cute kitchen items. I have several of them, like Santa tongs or bag clips. I don't need anything right now, but look how cute those bag clips are. $2.89 a piece. So they have the trolley for $16.99 and the multi-purpose dolly. We have like an older version of one of these that someone gave to us years ago, and I think it's amazing. So if you are wondering if this would be worthwhile, they definitely are. Looks like they're starting to get ready for some Christmas stuff. Lots of kid gift ideas, it looks like. The bed canopy lights, towel, blanket things, kinetic sand, all-in-one nap mats. I made these for my girls for daycare years ago. This would have been amazing to just buy those. Weighted blankets, $24.99 for kids. Lots of stuff on this side too, but I love coming on Sundays because this aisle is always stacked. My mom texted me the other day that she bought one of these letter boards from Aldi and she was very excited. She got the rainbow one. I love the shimmery. $4.99. I love Aldi Halloween or holiday candy selection. The best part is the day after it goes significantly marked down. I bought in lots of yummies that way. But they have lots of Reese's this year, which is my husband's favorite. I also think these are super cute and I might buy them to pack for kids' Halloween parties. As a matter of fact, well, I'll wait, but I think that's a good deal. And look how cute these are. Belgian chocolate pumpkins, $2.99. You guys, they have so much German week stuff. I did not plan anything for my meal plan, but we love Spätzle, and I absolutely love this red cabbage with apple, $1.99. I'm going to have to add this to my meal plan next week, but I'm refusing to stock my pantry because I have changes coming and I just can't. So hopefully this is enough to get me through till next week. But they have German week stuff and I forgot about it. What kind of Aldi addict am I? I use quinoa when I make tabbouleh salad, so I'm going to get this. It's $2.85. My kids actually really love this, and this will get me multiple recipes. I make a garlic sauce for my shawarmas, and we use corn oil for that, $3.39. So someone mentioned, and I'm sorry I cannot think of your name as I'm here right now, that their marinara jars have gone down in size. Ours are still 24 ounces. This is the same size I'm used to seeing at 85 cents. So right now we're still good here in Southwest Michigan. Hopefully it stays that way. I shared these last week and said my family would revolt, but someone gave me the idea to make this into a Halloween dinner, and since I'm really worried these won't be here if I wait, I am going to get this box, save it for Halloween, $1.09. But that was such a good idea. And I'm not going to tell them what it is. And if they don't want to eat it, that's fine, but it will make for a fun dinner. I love that idea. Halloween spaghetti. You can tell you're approaching the holiday seasons when the aisles are getting taller in the baking aisle. Like, they added an extra shelf in here. Because holiday baking is upon us, my favorite. We are making rice pudding this week, so I got a can of sweetened condensed milk and a can of evaporated milk. I have absolutely no beans at my house, so I'm getting these Peru organic beans. These are my absolute favorite from Aldi, $4.89. And then I also really like this breakfast blend for $3.65. And I like the donut store one, but I'm going to get the breakfast blend today. And I was looking for decaf coffee so my girls could make iced coffees at home, but they don't appear to have any. Interesting. Is that a thing? Does Aldi not sell decaf coffee? Okay, so I found decaf, $2.75. My girls are not coffee snobs. They just want to make a sugary, milky drink, so this will be fine for them, $2.75. This looks so good, but I'm the only one in my family that would eat the cream cheese filling, and I literally do not need to eat that whole thing. People have been raving about it on Facebook, but yum, they're here. Some of the Aldi finds, they have harvest grain bowls, risotto, pierogies, bagel bites. These look yummy. Cauliflower ravioli. I've never heard of such a thing. Tenders on the other side. I always love the Asian stuff. Oh, look, this is what I'm here for. Pretzels, $3.99. They have the sticks. So I'm just looking at the Aldi finds and I saw these frozen spatzels and another woman was stocking up. So she has inspired me. She swears they're really good. Her family loves them. So I'm going to try the cheese spatzel too. It's $3.99 a piece. They have all their pizzas. They still have these cakes. I have not bought them, but they look so good. They also have these tarts, blackberry, cherry. I'm not even going to try to say that F word. Apple. They have almond cake, a walnut cake, a chocolate cake, a strawberry cream cake. Lots of yummies. They have strudels. Lots of German wheat goodies. I need shredded cheese, $2.59. And then I'm also making pizzas this week, so I need mozzarella, $2.59 for that as well. With our shawarmas, I don't want spicy hummus, so I'm going to get 2 of the $1.95 roasted pine nut. I'm going to get the shredded Parmesan for our pizzas and salad this week, $1.99. Also, I tell my family this is pepperoni. It's called Italian dry salami. It tastes just like pepperoni. It's super good, $5.99. We will have this with our pizzas on my uni pizza oven, and then probably next week I'll plan a charcuterie so we can eat the rest. I'm going to get 7 of my favorite waters at 55 cents a piece. Just the plain. Love these things. Drink one a day. I'm getting 2 bags of seasoned fries for shawarmas, $1.49 a piece. And then also hash brown potatoes for $3.29. This is interesting. You don't often see alcohol marked down, but it's my lucky day because I was already coming to get a bottle of this, and it's $3.09. So you're coming home with me. $4.45 for a pail of ice cream. Of course, that was my husband's request. And then my older daughter Mila asked me to get cookies and cream ice cream, $1.89. These are tempting. My husband loves fruit syrups, but we already have a blackberry one in the fridge, $2.95. A fun find though. There's lots in our Aldi finds food aisle, but none of it seems too new to me. I feel like it's stuff I've been seeing the last few weeks. There's a number of different pita chips. Those look pretty good. But a lot of the stuff that's been here, just a lot of it. So here you have it, folks, my entire cart. Any guesses on my total? So I ended up spending $124.40, which was a little more than I thought it was going to be. My cart didn't look super full, but prices are going up, and I definitely bought some specialty items and I bought some more expensive specialty items like the dried strawberries and the spicy salami. So I know that my family's still going to enjoy it. We're going to get lots of value for the $124. I just didn't expect it to be that high. But now that you've seen what I got, I want you to see my meal plan right here. Okay, so our menu for the week, we're having chicken shawarmas. When I make that, we have it for 2 nights, and then everyone can make it how they want. So my vegetarian leaves off chicken. My husband, he doesn't like tabbouleh, or he doesn't like hummus, so he leaves it off. Everyone can make it how they like it, but it's a family favorite. I'm making tomato soup and grilled cheese. We're gonna have breakfast, and this is gonna be a simple breakfast of meat, potatoes, eggs, English muffins. We're gonna have a baked potato bar. We'll be having steamed broccoli, leftover bacon from the breakfast, cheese sauce that we got at Sam's Club. We're gonna have a family dinner for my husband's birthday at my in-laws' house. And then I'm going to make pizzas in my uni pizza oven, and we'll have salad. If you're interested in seeing how I make chicken shawarmas, it is a family favorite and a recipe that I got from my mother-in-law, and then I started making tabbouleh. You can see all of that in this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.